Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with this guy. That's me. How are y'all doing? Can you see what I see here? The very first bit of Cooking with this guy merch, an apron. I'm actually delighted with it. It actually came out quite good. Delighted with that now. Okay. That being said, today's video, lads, is a continuation of our black pudding kind of, what would you call it? Journey. In the last video we did a chicken black pudding mozzarella, which was absolutely gorgeous. Really beautiful. I think today we're going to try something slightly different, but the same. So it's instead of chicken, we're going to go with sausage rolls. Sausage rolls with black pudding and mozzarella, and see how we get on. And as I said before, lads, in every single one of these videos, I've never done before. It's a kind of a hope and see if it works out. And you know, sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. That being said, let's just get into the video. It's very quick, not a long one today, guys. I would appreciate, obviously, if you were to stay to the very end, just to get that watch time up. I'd appreciate it. And as to any new people who are stopping by the channel, firstly, you're very welcome. And please consider subscribing if you like the content. Let's grow the Cooking with this guy army, and we'll get us up to our next milestone of 100, which is crazy, but let's give it a go.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights.
Puff pastry. I'm not making it, guys. It's a pain in the arse to make. And I really feel there's no need in this day and age to spend hours upon hours making puff pastry when you get in the shop and it's perfectly fine. So yeah, not happening here.
I know we're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish.
Right, guys, so there you have it. This is our sausage roll, ready to go. As you can see there, beautiful. We've got our pastry that I bought. We've got our sausage mix in the middle there, and we've got a bit of egg wash on it with 2 cuts. And then just if you get a fork, just to push down the sides of the pastry so they bind together, right? Guys, I've never done this before. I promise you, I haven't. If I can do this, anybody can. Let's go. So they're going to go into an oven, 200C for about 15 to 20 minutes. So just keep an eye on it, obviously, right? So what I have, I'm just going to line a baking tray here.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now, trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid,